And we have more breaking news coming in. The mayor has ordered action after these 3 deaths. Shelly Oberoi has written to the MCD authorities and she has issued a set of instructions. First and foremost, she wants a complete stop to coaching centers using basements for their educative purposes. And the second is she wants to find out and hold an inquiry into whether there was any involvement of MCD officials in this specific incident. We have Pratibha with the letter. Pratibha, if you will please read the letter by Shelly Oberoi.
Right, Ankit, clearly the incident seems to have woken up the authorities now. This is the Delhi mayor's letter and she says yesterday some students have been trapped in a private coaching institute being run in Rajendra Nagar due to flooding, and out of them 3 students lost their lives. This is very shocking. This incident needs thorough investigation and swift and strongest possible action. It's also our responsibility to ensure that such an incident does not recur in any part of Delhi. So the Commissioner MCD is hereby directed all such coaching centers across Delhi which are under the jurisdiction of MCD and running commercial activities in basements which are in violation of building bylaws and are not as per norms, strict action should be taken against them immediately. The second direction that she has given is immediate inquiry to be conducted to identify if any officers of the MCD are responsible for this tragedy. If any official is found guilty, strongest possible action will be taken against them under the intimation to the undersigned, that is, of course, the Mayor of Delhi, Shelly Oberoi. So directing strict action. Remember, several of the students who have been protesting as well spoke about how the problem lies not just with the institute, but several such institutes that are blooming and mushrooming across the national capital, Ankit.